Hey people, what's going on? It's your boy Richard. I'm here to make a video on Futureadpro. I know I haven't made one for quite a long time, but it has been 1 year since I joined Futureadpro. I've been going strong with it. I've been doing things with it. As you can see, I have 216 ad packs. Um, as you can see, my advertising account is pretty big, and as you know, in the Futureadpro account, this box right here, this is where your daily income is actually or your daily profits pop up at. So anytime you make any daily profits from off of your ad packs, which we do get paid every 15 minutes, um, it shows up here. Also, if you do have people that join your team and they're buying ad packs, whenever they buy an ad pack, the commission pops up here also. And from this box, you can actually take and buy another ad pack, or you can withdraw it. So, and then the way you withdraw it, just send it over to you could basically send it over to your Bitcoin wallet, which is the best way when doing this. So, like if you go to advertising account, as you can see, if I went to buy some ad packs, I could buy the Bitcoin, now Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash, and Bitcoin Cash. So there's more available options than you buying your um, ad packs from out of pocket. And then when you withdraw money, you'll go to your business, you'll go to payouts, and this is where you do your payout. Of course, you could do it in any of these other fields, but not really. If you're a U.S. citizen, you'll just do it in Bitcoin. As you can see, I have so far withdrawn $4,681 into Future Ad Pro, and well, I have withdrawn this. Personally, I probably only invested probably around about $2,200 into Future Ad Pro, but you can see I've made $18,000 since I joined, which is not bad. So there's different ways you can make money. This is a passive program. You do have to watch 10 ads daily, as you can see. Right now, I'm qualified. If you don't watch your ads, you're sure that you're not qualified, and then it will stop earning for you for that day. So make sure you watch your 10 ads every day. Right now, I've just finished watching 10 more ads. I do about twice a day just to make sure that it doesn't necessarily like not making the money, because like the past couple of weeks, actually past 2 months, I've been slacking on that. So you can see that in basically in my commissions. Basically, as you can see, so far today I made $27. Yesterday I made $100, 75, 89. And these other days, $30, 29, 31, 32, 33, or 32, 34, $10 here. I didn't think I got on that day, $8 there. I didn't get on that day really either. So I just been slacking really bad at this because I've been building my other program and talking to people and stuff like that. So I haven't been really watching my ads, and that's really hurt me. So recently, I just started making sure I watch my ad. I did get on pretty late this day. That's why it's $75. But I'm starting to watch my ads more and more, making sure I do 2 a day. You want to make sure you do that. That way, you can reinvest as soon as possible and build your ad packs up. So you want to, well, if I want to make some money, if I want to just make $500 a month, how many ad packs do you need? Well, just imagine this. Um, with one $50 ad pack, it's paying you around about 1% a day, roundabout. It's not guaranteed 1%, but basically each ad pack still pays out 20% in on your own capital. So you actually put in $50 for capital, and you'll get back 20% more. So you'll get back 100, well not 100, but $60, because no, $10 is 20% of 50. So if you know that, so every $50 ad pack I have is I have 216 ad packs. I get back $10. So 216 times 10 equals $2,160. And that, of course, is over the course of, say, 4 months, which is 120 days, which really is a little bit longer, but let's say 120 days. So 4 months, I can take out $540. If you look at my daily payout, I'm gonna say I get paid out $89 a day right now. So 20% of that is $17.80 times, I'm say 7 days a week times 4, which is $498. So if you do it that way, you get it's a lower number, but it's a little bit more accurate of what you can actually take out. So right now, at where I currently stand at, I can take out about $500 a month, and as long as I reinvest the rest of it, I could go at, I'll always maintain 216 ad packs, and I could just take that $500 out every month, and I could do that whatever I want. This money, I could help pay bills, pay for my car, buy clothes, use it for other investments. It doesn't matter. I could do that right now. So, as you know, if you go to double this amount, so 216 times times 2, so about 432 ad packs. Say you could take out $1,000 a month. So if you could take $1,000 a month out of, what will an extra $1,000 do for you? You could do, most people could do quite a lot with $1,000 a month extra in their pocket. So this is a great passive program. This is my base program that I've been using to actually fund everything else that I have going on. So which is actually pretty good because I have another program that I use the money out of here to actually help fund it. It's actually surpassed this program itself in value. Like another program, I made over like $28,000 in that program so far, um, and it has more packages than this program, just because of how it works. But it works. It was very similar to this passive program, but like I said, Futureadpro is my base. It been around longer. It's stable, as in it's in U.S. dollars, so the numbers never change. Even though there's Bitcoin programs out there, the numbers have changed. I at least have one program that stays in U.S. dollars. That's something that I just prefer. I do have Bitcoin programs out there. I have I'm just gonna start growing my Ethereum also this month. So stay tuned to that. But anyway, this is my Futureadpro video. This is year 1 is over, and I'm going on my year number 2. Watch how I excel through this and reach my goals, and I hope you too. All right, let's keep making money. And all right, peace.